Hello guys, my name is David and today I am going to show you how you can use green screen effects in Shotcut. By the way, when you never heard about Shotcut, it's a free video editing tool. But now let's get started with the video. When you want to use green screen effects, you should first know what it is. With the green screen you can show a video in a video. This is very helpful for you when you make vlogs. First you should start Shotcut. When you have done this you need two videos. One video needs a green background, because later on we will remove this green color to show the second video. For this I have already prepared two videos. One where I recorded my desktop and another within green screen explosion. Now you have to create two video layers. For this right click on the timeline and select new video layer. The video with the green screen should be over the normal video. Now we will remove the green background. Just click on filters and search in the video filters for chroma key simple or advanced. You can add both filters to your video. When you are in the menu of the filters you can select a color. For this press on the button and then on the green background. You should now see the other video under the explosion. You can play with the percentages you want. But there is also a second way. For this you need chroma key advanced. Here you have more options to play with. There is no rule which percentage you need. You have to try this. You can also put a green screen video on a green screen video. For this you can also use the same steps. Go the filters and add chroma key simple or advanced. And that is it.